Hey, what's going on guys? Tim here again. In today's tutorial we're learning how to make the stitched monkey bar done Mad Max style, doing this paracord bracelet. So this design is by none other than JD Lenzen of Tying It All Together. So this is an oldie but goodie, and we have converted it for Mad Max closure as well. So yeah, this one's turned out pretty well. Little tricky, just maintain your consistency, and in terms of tensioning the knots, don't go too tight or too loose, and you'll have a nice even bracelet. So that's the one we're doing today, and I hope you guys will enjoy it. So remember, if you're looking for where to get paracord, you can check out my affiliate links down below. It does help out the channel a lot when you guys shop through those links. And also, if you want access to exclusive tutorials and the monthly giveaway, feel free to check out my Patreon and see what I've going on there. Alright, so that being said, let's get into the tutorial. Alright, so to start this bracelet off, got my two pieces of paracord, got them doubled over, and this is the midpoint of each. So what I'm going to do first, I'm going to take one of the strands, I'm going to use my dark blue here. You're going to tie a cow's hitch basically over the orange. So loop it over like so, and pull these two through like that. Okay, just a simple cow's hitch. Then you're going to flip it over like this, and you can try to make this loop up top smaller. It doesn't need to be that big. Okay, just pull that through. And then from here, you're going to open this up like so. See the strand on the right? You're going to take it out and put it through both the loops there. Pass it through. And then with the strand on the left, you're going to do the same thing. Okay, so take this strand and pass it through these two loops here. Okay, so let me hold this still for you. That's where you should be right now. And then what you're going to do is close this up actually and firm up this knot, but you're going to make this top loop as small as possible because we're doing this one Mad Max. So just pull the excess through and close it like so. Okay, you can do it for both sides. Make this top loop really small and then firm up the knot. You want to get this definitely as tight as possible. Okay, so it should look something like this. I can further tighten this one though. Okay, so do that and then make sure this orange strand is even on both sides. Okay, so we've got that knot firmed up, and now I'm just going to turn it around. Actually, it doesn't matter which side you do this from, but I'm going to use this side. So we've got the orange strands going straight down the middle, like so. Now you're going to take your, I'm going to take my blue strands, I'm going to cross them over the orange, left and then right, like so. And then I'm going to take the orange on the right, and you're going to pass it through this gap right here, and out the back. And then you're going to do the same on this side. Take the orange strand, pass it through, all the way through, like so. Now from here, just slowly cinch that knot shut. And close it up. You definitely want these two orange strands touching like that, right? That's how you know it's tight enough. Okay, so from here now, you're going to turn it around, and you've got the orange strands. You want to keep those on the back, like so. And then you're just going to do the same thing. You're going to cross left and then right, like so. Then I'm going to take orange strand on the right, pass it through, orange on the left, pass it through, like so. Make sure that stays pointing upwards. And then cinch it closed. So again, very slowly and carefully pull it together here, like so. All right, and then when you're done that, again, you can turn it back around, like so. And again, keep the orange strands behind. And again, you're gonna repeat the process. So that's really it. That's the knot I've shown you twice, and you're just going to repeat that process of tying the knot, crossing over like so. Put this through here. And put this one through here. Like that. And then close it. Close it up and pull it tight, and then turn it around. Okay? So that is the process, and continue tying your bracelet until you've reached the desired length, and then we will complete the Mad Max closure. So I've woven the length of my bracelet, and now what we're going to do is, you can see we have some shorter orange ones. We're going to snip and melt those where they are, and with my longer blue ones, I'm going to put a fid on one there. And then now you can bend your bracelet around and feed those two cords through the top here. See? And that will make our Mad Max closure. So I'm going to grab the second one. Let's put it through here as well. Okay. Can close that up like so. And of course from here you can tie any knot you want, but I'm just gonna go with the good old diamond knot. So let's do that real quick. Make a loop with the strand on the right, lay it on top of the one on the left. I'm gonna take the strand on the bottom here, go underneath this one, and go over, under, over through here. All right. Then from here, take the strand on the right, make sure you go past that strand there and go up through the middle. And then the same on this side. Bring this strand around. You go past the strand here and go up through the middle. All right, so I'm gonna cinch that diamond knot up. I'm just gonna adjust it to the right space, just so I have enough to get my wrist through. Of course, actually that's about right. So we can tighten that there. And then I'm just going to snip and singe the excess here and the excess on the orange. Okay, and there we have it. We are finished. So got all the excess sliced off and snipped and melted, I mean. And here's a quick shot on the wrist. One tip I will give you about this bracelet is, even I had a little bit of trouble with consistency. Just don't tighten too much, and just keep the tension nice and even so the knots will look consistent. But I think I did okay on this one. So that is it for this tutorial, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you liked this video, feel free to hit that like button. It does help me out a lot. And if you're not subscribed and you want to see more content like this, feel free to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next video.